What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Waves, which has hit a huge green candlestick as you guys can see, and it is up just over 30% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $4.64. So we're going to be going through how high can Waves essentially go over the coming days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024. Is this a crypto to be investing into? Can it give you a decent amount of ROI on your investment? And also looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Waves, which is here in purple at $3.20. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at $4.64, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Waves over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to $4.10, $4.20 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason being is it's gone for a major pump in value earlier today, and yes, it's still pumping up in value. However, it is likely to hit more red candles in the early hours of tomorrow, taking a step back down in value. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to pump up even higher over the coming couple of hours, up to near about $5 before starting to hit red candles, dropping down to $4.10 to $4.20 in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we got the blue and the orange line once again still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. They're not looking too steep, they are just about slanting towards the negative direction. May not look too clear. However, an overall drop is once again expected over the next 7 to 8 days from Waves. So by mid next week, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at just over the $4 mark. So let me explain that in a little bit more detail. Towards the next few days, so by mid to end of this week, I'm expecting it to drop down in value down to around $3.50, back to where it was trading at the last few days, and then slowly starting to gain value towards the end of this week and early next week, pumping up to near about $4 is what I'm expecting. So do expect quite a wave, a price correction down to $3.50, and then pumping back up in value again. From my predictions and analysis that I have done, the crypto is slightly overvalued right now and is due for a little bit of a dip in value over the coming days. Moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking a little bit too steep. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so essentially by late April, early May 2024, I am expecting the crypto to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. What I mean by that is, yes, as I expected, the price correction to take place, and then essentially after that it should be dropping down to in value to $3.50, pumping back up to $4 towards the end of March, and then April, May, it should be pumping up to over the $5 mark is what my expectations are at the moment, and potentially heading over $5 by May, June. So by mid-year it should be hovering around between $6.50 and $7, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. However, as you guys know, the Bitcoin halving is taking place in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can as I get more updates and news on how this could affect the market. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, we are still trading in the red zone, as you guys can see, and we've got a long way for us to head out of the red zone. We need to hit around $15.88 to get out of the red zone, which I'm not expecting from Waves at the moment. However, for it to hit $10 is going to require quite of an increase, which I am expecting towards the second half of the year, and potentially towards the end of quarter 3 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Waves to be heading towards the $10 mark. But you guys know how volatile the crypto market is, so if there are any updates to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So before I go any further, as you guys can see on the side here, Bitcoin has hit $73,000, guys, near about hitting $74 over the coming days, hitting a new all-time high. The crypto market has been very strong over the last few days, last week and this week as well, and this has had a major positive impact on the crypto market. And Waves at the moment is pumping, and we can clearly see that the trading volume has also gone up over 920%, making it just under $1 billion, guys. The trading volume is likely to hit $1 billion over the coming hours, or probably over the next half an hour to an hour is going to hit $1 billion in trading, which is a huge increase, guys. As you guys can see, Waves is in the top gainers list according to Binance, so it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. So we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto, which in return is also helping the value of Waves pump up even higher. And over the week it has gained 43%, and over the month a massive 113%. However, we know that most of the pump did come from the last 24 hours. So let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting Waves to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.